During our stay in Irresistible, we took a quick road trip to Paraty. Paraty is a historical city, absolute visit, a must visit if you ever come to Brazil. Go visit Paraty because it's so gorgeous. Because Paraty is both historical gem and a UNESCO World Heritage Country. My focus here wasn't to chase those overly cinematic bangers, street captures you often see. Instead, I wanted to document rock alleys, the weatherhead facades, party vibrant colors, and for me, most important, enjoying some family time along the way. So hey, if you're new here, I'm Daniel, I'm a mobile photographer, and I capture everything using my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Just thank you for stopping by. I'm so close, like very close to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you like the content, please consider subscribing, hit the like button. And if you're ever been here before, thanks again. So come along with me to check the beauties of Paraty. I started warming up as soon as we parked. First street, the colors were already popping. Doors, window frames, even a man with the old horse and a wagon. I don't know, he's probably doing some delivery. Couldn't get more small town than that. Next, I captured a few portraits of my wife using the lush greenery and as a foreground to create depth. And I don't know, there are plants everywhere here, so effortless. As we move deep into the city center, the old houses become my main subject. Preserved buildings from the 17th, 18th, and 19th centuries offered unique textures and designs we just don't find out in North America. Blue shutters, pattern tiles, and stone door frames. Hey, stone door portals. Crazy. The first street vendor appeared selling handmade crafts. That's street photography 101. We kept exploring and found a small church. Its bricks still exposed. Again, very old buildings. A wider street gave me a chance to capture a horizontal frame, something I don't do enough, and I think I need to do more often because we're so stuck with vertical for social media, and sometimes we lose some scene's context. So shoot more widely. Then I saw a woman, and she was like native descent probably, and waving like a basket or a bowl in a traditional style of the Caiçara people. Caiçara are the First Nations here in the south of Rio de Janeiro, especially in Paraty. And with every step, more colorful frames appeared. The overcast sky muted the light, but the details in the moment stayed vibrant. Maybe if I had more sunlight, would have like some pocket lights or other options to capture. And when my wife spotted a house with a bright yellow door, she asked me to shoot some more portraits, of course. And as always, she nailed as a model. I captured a close-up and a few wide angles just to showcase the full building. A few steps away, I noticed the Rua do Comércio, and the sign of the Rua do Comércio was from the old post office from 1930. So it's still holding its original tiles and lantern. So no brainer. Down the streets to the Igreja da Matriz, it's Paraty's main church. Though it was close to the visitors, I circled a small square around and tried to find a better angle, which I did, using some flower vase and flower bush to create like a foreground to add more layers to the picture. then some wide angle to capture the whole palm trees with the whole building. I was trying to make a frame out of it with the palm trees, but it was good enough for me. And again, more portraits of my wife by the massive doors. Like, it's, I don't know, she's an architect. She loves those like huge doors and colorful doors, so why not shoot more? Next stop was Casa da Cultura, a small art gallery focused on the native Caiçara culture. The inside is fully renovated, but the outside retains the regional charm, complete with the famous blue balconies. And those blue balconies are perfect for overlooking the streets, get some like top-down shots, and also to get like a portrait from people on those balconies. It reminds us like Verona, where like we have the House of Juliet that people also shoot from those balconies. And by the way, that's Leah, my daughter, soaking up Brazilian culture. As Brazilians, we want her to know our roots, and she absolutely loves those things. Like, she loves museums and an art gallery and have this interactive experience. So we try do this every time we travel with her. After leaving Casa da Cultura, we walked to Rua do Fogo, translating by like, I don't know, Street of Fire, kind of. The Rua do Fogo is like a narrow street covered with hibiscus and bougainville, making a very natural frame that is perfect for portraiture. And of course, I had to snap more picture of my wife along this small street or alley. I don't know how to call it. And right up when we left Rua do Fogo, we got to the shoreline, and I had to set up the drone because I couldn't leave Paraty without some aerial shots. And the colorful boats at the marina were like creating this perfect frame, almost like a postal card. And also the second main church were like the final check marks on my Paraty photo list. So I had to take a few using my drone, and that was like, okay, I'm done with photography here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, I don't know, like walking around Paraty, some like POV shots, and me like trying to I don't know, narrate or do like voiceover explaining how I get the shots and why. This is like a new style that I'm testing, where I do voiceover instead of having the full POV on the video. So let me know in the comments if you like it or not. If, I don't know, I should do this more often. And again, if you like, give the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I don't know, I guess I'll see you in the next one. See ya.